Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I tried to install this short passion twist, and if you want to know how I achieved this style and the hair that I used and some of my tips, then keep on watching. Alright, so as always, I'm starting out on hair that's freshly washed, moisturized, and all that good stuff. So the method I'm going to be using is the rubber band method. This is the back, and I'm just showing you what I did in front. I did not show you this on camera, but I had to make sure that I dip my rubber bands in oil before I use them. It's very important because it avoids breakage, your hair breaking because of friction. To part and section my hair, I use the Shining Jam, the extra hold one. This gives my parts a sleek and clean look. So this is the pattern that I use. I don't really have a pattern. I didn't really count how many sections I parted, but this is what I did. So I used this kind of hair. I got this from Amazon. I'll put it in the description box. But this is the hair that I used, and I used 4 strands of hair on each section. I'll tell you that at the end, some of the things that I learned whilst I was installing this hair. So I just used 4 strands of hair, and I started off by using Shining Jam, but I started out by using that, and I'm making sure that I make sure that the whole hair is covered in that. That helps when you are twisting the hair. I'm starting out by braiding the hair first, as if I'm gonna do a box braid, and then twisting the rest of the hair. And I'll show you two methods in which I twist the hair. I'll show you in a bit. I start out by braiding the hair, like you can see, as if I'm gonna do a box braid, and I hold the whole piece of hair with one side of the hair and then just start twisting. Okay. The hair that I used is a little different from what most people use for the passion or spring twist for this particular hairstyle. Most people use water wave. It just wasn't gonna come in time, and then when I tried to go to the beauty supply store, they didn't have the color that I wanted, which was 1B, so I had to go with this one. I just wanted to point that out. Another way that I twisted the hair, so I'm starting off just like you do a box braid, and then instead of just holding the whole hair with one side of the hair extensions, I'm gonna split it so one goes with one side and the other goes with one side, and I start twisting it. So those are the two ways that I was twisting the hair. I really didn't see any difference at all, really, but it's just a matter of preference. But I just wanted to show you that you can actually also do that. This is the finished look, guys. I love the hair. It's very simple, very easy to do. It only took me like 3 hours. I had the hardest part parting the hair because I do it by myself, and it's really challenging. And another thing, the method that I used braiding the hair first, I just wanted to show you that it kind of shows like a little bump when you start out, and I think a lot of box braids do come off like that. So if you don't like that, you can use the crochet method, which I feel like it's more like a seamless start. I wanted to say I ran out of hair. I didn't have enough hair. I bought it from Amazon, and it was gonna be too late for me to like order more hair, you know. Another thing that I wanted to say is because I didn't have enough hair, it's actually not as full as I would have wanted it to be. So like, I think in the front, the first line, I like it like that. That's what I was going for. But I feel like the second line, I would have like split it more, and the third line I would have split it more. But I didn't have enough hair to even change that anyways. But I still like the hairstyle. I think it's really cute, and I'm gonna be rocking it for the next 3 weeks, because that's usually how long I wear my protective styles for. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the tutorial and some of the tips that I gave you guys, some of the mistakes that I made, and how you guys can learn when you try to do this hairstyle. Comment below if you like the video and the hairstyle. Like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.